Everyone, here we are going to see question number 10 and 11 from exercise 8.3. So dear student, this was the last question from chapter number 8, exercise 8.3. 10th and 11th will be the last question of this exercise. After that, this chapter will going to be completed. Clear? So dear student, one more thing I would like to tell. Some of the activity questions, that means that 10 assignment questions I had given you through the WhatsApp, that you have to solve it in your max copy at the end of chapter number, when the chapter number 8 notes or 7 chapter number notes will completed. At that time you have to write it. Okay, so don't write the chapter number 8 notes directly. After completion of the chapter number 7 you have to do the assignment questions, so that you will get the marks in that. Clear everyone? So here we are going to see exercise 8.3, question number 10. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? So dear student, in this it is asked about the rate. यहाँ पर आपको क्या पूछा गया है? Rate. Okay, so what is rate? Rate, that means R is asked. So let the R we will consider. Okay, if you want to consider R, you can consider R, or any unknown alphabet, that is X, you can consider. So as we know that here sum, that means it will be act as a principal. So principal is given rupees 56,000. Okay, time is given 2 years, and rate we have to find out. Rate we have to find out, isn't it? Now, as also it is given that what gives as interest. As interest, that means the simple interest value is given as 280. Clear everyone? Again I will tell you. Here principal amount is given as rupees 56,000. Clear? Then R, that we have to find out. Time is given 2 years, and in the question it is said that gives rupees 280 as interest. As interest, that means simple interest value is given as rupees 280. Now substituting all these values in the formula of simple interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100, you can easily find out the value of R, value of rate. ठीक है, समझ आया? जब हम प्रिंसिपल, रेट, टाइम और SI यूनिट को जब पुट करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमको रेट फाइंड आउट करना है, सो रेट को R ही कंसिडर करोगे. ओके, रेस्ट अदर वैल्यू यू हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट ओवर देयर. एस SI इज 280 रुपीज़, प्रिंसिपल इज 56,000 and time is 2 years. So all this value you have to substitute over there, and after substituting you will get the, while solving you will get the required answer. Clear? So here we will keep the all the numbers in the formula, that is P into R into T. What is the formula of SI unit? That is SI unit, it is not SI unit, sorry for that, it is simple interest, SI. So SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100, isn't it? So simple interest formula, what is simple interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. As simple interest value we are having as 280 is equals to principal we are having as 56,000 into R we have to find it into T is given as a 2 year upon 100. Now this 280, here this 100 will cross multiplied with 280, so it will become 280 into 100, okay, upon 56,000 into 2 is equals to R. One more thing from this you can see, as SI unit is equals to P into R into T upon 100 is there, isn't it? From this SI, that means simple interest, we can also create the formula for rate. कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे इसका फॉर्मूला? जैसे हमको रेट फाइंड करना है, तो ये 100 SI के साथ इंटू होगा, तो SI इंटू 100, ठीक है, इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू R इंटू T. अब हमको R का फॉर्मूला क्रिएट करना है, रेट का फॉर्मूला क्रिएट करना है, तो ये जो P और T है, मतलब प्रिंसिपल और टाइम है, वो नीचे आ जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर पे. तो ये देखो एस आई इंटू 100 अपॉन पी इंटू टी इज इक्वल्स टू रेट का फॉर्मूला बन गया, ठीक है। तो चाहे डायरेक्ट इस फॉर्मूले में पुट करो आप या तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के इस फॉर्मूले में पुट करो, सेम आंसर आना है। सो फर्स्ट वी विल गोइंग टू सी by substituting the value in the first, then we will going to see by substituting here. Clear? So let's see. So what we are having, that number SI is given as 280 rupees is equals to 56,000 into R we have to find it, time is given 2 year upon 100. Okay, so 280 into 100 is equals to 56,000 into R into 2. Okay, now 280 will be multiplying with 100, so it will become 2,80,000, isn't it? Now this 56,000 will come in the denominator and 2 will also come in the denominator in order to find the rate value, isn't it? So dear student, here 1 2 3 3 zeros are there, 1 2 3 3 zeros are there in the numerator and denominator. So both from the numerator and denominator 3 zeros will be get cancelled. So what is the number left out? The number is 28 upon 56 into 2 is equals to R. This is the number. Clear? So here we can see that in the table of 58 twos are, so here it will become 6 1 carry 56. As if while calculating the table of 28 we can see that 56 comes 2 times, so here 1s are, here it will be 2s are. अगर आप डायरेक्ट 28 का टेबल से काटोगे नहीं तो उसको 2 के टेबल से भी काट सकते हो, कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है, ठीक है। 2 के टेबल से काटोगे तो भी उतना ही 1/2 बचेगा लास्ट में। सो व्हाट इज़ 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2 दैट इज़ 4 इज इक्वल्स टू रेट। सो व्हाट इज़ रेट वी आर हैविंग 1/4। ना 1/4 को जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं, है ना, व्हाट इज़ द रेट वी आर हैविंग 1/4 इज इक्वल्स टू रेट। दिस इज द रेट वी आर हैविंग, एज रेट इज बीइंग रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ परसेंट, सो वी विल गोइंग टू पुट अ परसेंट। ना 1/4 को जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे, है ना, व्हेन 1/4 इज गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड, सो हियर डेसिमल विल कम 0 8 2 times, here 2 again 0 5, isn't it? So 0.25 is the rate. That means altogether when we are going to calculate 1/4, when we are dividing that 1/4, the rate will come as 0.25 rate, a percent as a rate, which will be the answer. ठीक है। Now when we are going to have the formula for R is equals to SI into 100 upon P into R. This is the formula we are having for the rate. अगर हम रेट के फॉर्मूले में डायरेक्ट सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं तो भी हमको आंसर सेम मिलेगा। लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू। सो हियर वी आर हैविंग 28 280 SN SI into 100 upon P is 56,000 into R is into time. Here this one is a time, so time is 2 year. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 from the numerator denominator will get cancelled. 28 upon 56 into 2 is left out, so this will be 1s are, this will be 2s are. So 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 2, that will be 1/4. When 1/4 we are going to divide, we will get the answer as 0.25%, which is the rate. Hence we can say that what is the rate we had finded? The rate we had finded as 0.25%. Clear? So what is rate asked here? Therefore rate is 0.25% when simple interest is 280, principal is 56,000 and year is 2 year. Clear? So here the explanation of 10th question is over. Now look the last question of this chapter, that is question number 11. In this question number 11 it is said that if Meena gives as interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at the rate of 9% per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? So dear student, here is the solution. What is said over here? Here it is said that Meena gives an interest, that means SI value, simple interest value is 45. Okay, here rate is given 9% per annum, time is given 1 year, isn't it? So what you have to find over here? SI दिया है, रेट दिया है, टी दिया है, तो ये हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? हमको प्रिंसिपल फाइंड करना है, क्योंकि रेट का वैल्यू दिया है टाइम दिया है और SI की वैल्यू दिया है इस क्वेश्चन में. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड इट, व्हाट इज द सम शी बोरोड, सम दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रिंसिपल ओवर हियर. Have you understood what we have to find? So here again one method is there to find out either SI is equals to P into R into T we are having upon 100. So if you want to create the formula for principal, so SI will be multiplied with 100 and this R into T will come in the denominator of it, so that we can get the formula for it is rate, so that we can get the formula for principal, isn't it? So principal is equals to SI into 100 upon R into T. This is the formula we are having. So what we have to calculate over here, we have to calculate the principal. Okay, SI unit is given, SI, that means simple interest, is given as 45 rupees, rate is given as 9% and time is given as 1 year. Clear? So SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So substitute in the value, 45 is equals to P we have to find out, R is given 9% into 1 upon 100. So here we can see that 45 into 100, as this 100 will cross multiplied with 45. So 45 upon 100, then S equals to P into 9 into 1. So 9 into 1 will be 9 itself. So that will become in the denominator is equals to P. Okay. So 45 into 100 upon 9. So here 9 ones are, here 9 fives are. So 5 into 100 will become 500 rupees. So what is the principal is? Principal is rupees 500. Clear? Now if we are having the formula for principal, that is SI into 100 upon rate into time. So principal we have to find, SI is 45 rupees into 100 upon rate is 9 into time is given as 1 year. Okay, so here 4500, when 45 will be multiplied with 100, it will become 4500. 9 into 1 will be 9. So 9 ones are and 9 fives are 45. So 500. So here it will become 500. So what is the principal amount we are getting while substituting the values in the formula? We will get the principal amount as rupees 500. So dear student, here our explanation of chapter number 8, comparing quantity, is over. So one more thing I like to tell you, chapter number 8 comparing quantity will not come in your exam. आपका चैप्टर नंबर 8 एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आएगा. ओके, सिलेबस फॉर योर मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम विल बी चैप्टर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the syllabus for your mid-term exam. Chapter number 8, comparing quantity, will not come in your exam. Clear everyone? So here the explanation of chapter number 8 is over. Next we will have the revision of chapter number from 1 to 7. Okay. So for today, thank you everyone.